My name is Kwadwo Dakwa. I was born and raised in Ghana. I lived in Ghana up until age 19. Here in Ghana, I completed elementary school, middle school, and secondary school. After completing secondary school, I left Ghana for the Soviet Union for medical education. In the Soviet Union, I attended both Rostov Medical Institute and Volgograd State Medical Institute, which is today Stalingrad Medical University. I completed medical school in 1990 and then migrated to the United States. In the United States, I had my postgraduate medical education at Howard University in Washington, D.C., then went on for a fellowship training at Yale University in New Haven, Connecticut. At Howard, I completed a residency in anesthesia, and then the fellowship at Yale was in critical care and pain management. After completing the fellowship at Yale, I was retained on faculty at Yale as an assistant professor for pain management, anesthesiology, and critical care. I spent about 6 years at Yale and then worked as a locum tenens physician in several hospitals in the United States. Completing that, I then went to North Carolina where I established non-malignant pain management clinics in that state. So I founded the HEAG, that is Health and Educational Assistance for Ghana, Pain Management Centers in North Carolina. The brain behind that was to find a way to return some services to the Ghanaian community on initially charitable basis and then later for profit as well. Currently, I practice full-time with the Hague Pain Management Center. It is a freestanding pain management clinic, and there are 4 locations in the state of North Carolina, and I work in all those 4 centers along with other providers and staff to deliver pain management services for the population. The Hague Foundation US came out of the Hague Pain Management Center. It was established to coordinate educational and health activity to help the people of Ghana and help to establish a first-class medical center in the sub-region and organize medical tourism in that region for the benefit of the Ghanaian people. It aims to complement the good medical services that already exist in Ghana and make accessible to the Ghanaian patient that aspect of care that would otherwise not be easily accessible for them unless they traveled outside the country. The Hague Foundation have helped in so many ways to keep Rema Preparatory School going. It's one of the junior schools in Accra. It plans to rebuild their facility completely for them, and it also plans to start African-centered education for those school children with the idea that they will be trained to remain in the country and provide services for the people of Ghana once they go through college and university education. In the US, the foundation is working to help establish some of the needs in the community and identify areas that would be very specific for the community in which we serve and help with some of those community work. And then in Ghana, it also looked to help with educational and health training for the people of Ghana. So the Hague Foundation in Ghana and also in the US will hopefully work together to create educational institutions in Ghana to train school children through the junior secondary school system, senior secondary school system, and prepare them for college and universities. And hopefully we can capture school children who would have exceptional interest in health-related profession to fill up the Hague Medical Center, which would in turn deliver health care to the Ghanaian population and to the entire population in the West African sub-region. We hope that it will help increase access of health care to the Ghanaian patient in areas where otherwise they will not have easy access. Sometimes patients have to travel outside the country for certain basic needs in their healthcare delivery system. And we would hope that Hague would be able to bring that type of care close to them without necessarily having them travel outside the country. I believe in good, high quality healthcare system which is accessible at affordable rates to the entire population.
For more information, please visit www.heagpmc.com or call 919-220-0107 today.